Good morning, everybody. Rachel and Amanda and all of our viewers this morning. Happy Sunday to you. It's been a really nice weekend. I know a little hazy yesterday. Of course, we saw the smoke lingering from the fireworks that went off for 4th of July. Starting to see some changes today. Air quality is expected to be better. Want to start you off with a live look. Our next weather sky camera as we look over LAX this morning, and not too many low clouds. That is the good news. We have a few spots with some clouds, but for the most part, we are expecting lots of sunshine, not just today, but as we head through this upcoming week. We'll continue to see the night through morning low clouds and fog and sunshine in the afternoon. Really, the big story this week will be the heat. Now, today, temperatures are going to be very similar to what we felt yesterday. So look for temperatures across the coastline, Santa Monica in the low 70s. Meanwhile, in Palmdale and Riverside, we're going to feel temperatures in the 90s today. So yes, it is going to be warm this afternoon, but I want to let you know that temperatures are going to go from 90s across our inland spots to triple digits as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday. In fact, temperatures are expected to be the warmest as we head toward the middle of the week. That is going to be kind of the big story. High pressure is going to be in control this week across the desert Southwest, and that is going to help send our temperatures well above average. Now again, peak heat Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll start to feel some changes as we head into next weekend. Let's talk about today what you can expect across the Ojai Valley. Temperatures in the high 80s, low 80s for Los Angeles and Anaheim. Orange County feeling temperatures in the mid 80s as we head toward this afternoon. Really something to be aware of if you have plans to travel to the coastline today at the beach. We do have a beach hazard statement in place. So elevated surf, high risk of rip currents too. If you are not an experienced swimmer, you definitely want to stay out of the water. We've got surf anywhere from 4 to 7 feet. And again, this is with us through this evening. So temperatures generally have been at or slightly below average. Once we move into the middle of the week, those temperatures are going to soar, especially away from the coastline. So areas like the San Fernando Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, the high desert communities, the Antelope Valley, feeling temperatures into the triple digits. In fact, areas like the Antelope Valley could get as hot as 107, even 108 as we head into the middle of the week. Because of that, we have issued a next weather alert Wednesday through Friday for our inland valleys. So we are alerting you ahead of time, letting you know about these conditions because, well, it's going to feel like summer. Temperatures rising across LA, Orange County, not necessarily to the threshold where we would issue a next weather alert for the metro spots, but temperatures will be in the low 90s both Wednesday and Thursday. You could see peak heat those 2 days. Temperatures will still be warm as we head into Friday, and then temperatures will be back into the 90s across the valley. So as hot as 105 as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures holding to the low 90s today and tomorrow. 100 degrees by Tuesday, so temperatures really starting to peak. And again, we have that next weather alert that is with us through Friday. Feeling changes by the weekend. Amanda and Rachel, back to you.